Hey guys, I did this from way back here because this is a wolf pup. You don't normally see a wolf pup this big. The new 25JB, huge slide out, huge floor plan wolf pup without going to a gray wolf or a Cherokee. So tons of space. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip at the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also, check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, please ask for Scott. Thanks again for watching. Hudgins.rv. All right, standing at the entry door looking in. Single slide out. Plenty of room walking front to back. Bunks. Standing at the back looking forward. Got your dinette. Plenty of lights. We'll start in the master bedroom. You got a queen walk around bed. Storage underneath. Storage. Overhead cabinets. Got a way to bring the TV through. Charging area. Receptacles on both sides. Sliding around. Fire escape window does open. You got shades. And again, more hanging storage, but the solid doors are nice to be able to close off the bedroom with solid doors. It's a nice feature. Moving into the living room, you got a spot for TV, your convenience area. So you can control your awning, your slides with the Cherokee control, your lights, your awning lights, check your holding tanks. Charging, receptacle, all from one area. You got these nice little lights. It's hard to tell here, but it does say wolf pup, and that shines down the floor as a nice little night light right here from the ceiling. You got these LED accent lights, and that's controlled here with the awning lights. AC, your opposing sitting area is nice, so nice conversation area. Jackknife sofa drops down to make a bed very easily. Underneath, you got drawers. You got battery disconnect, your fuse panel, dinette. These are your little armrests here. U-shaped dinette. Does make into a bed. We'll take a look at that down. All right, table in the down position. Here's your bed. You can remove these end cushions if you're looking for a little bit more space. Remove these cushions. They'll be out of your way. Table in the down position is the best way for it to travel. You do have, as you hear, the little Velcro tabs that hold it in place. And you can store those table legs in your drawers, under your bed, or anywhere out of your way. You've also got tons of storage. Again, more charging areas. Shades. Emergency windows that open. 12-volt refrigerator freezer. In the slide, you get a huge pantry. So tons of storage there. Staying in the kitchen area. Solid surface countertops. Nice little 2-burner range with the little hand sanitizing station. LED lights. Storage. For your sink, you got the large stainless steel round sink. Nice storage up top. Exhaust does exhaust outside, and you got a range. Exhaust does exhaust outside. You got a microwave. Your battery tender stereo. You got HDMI and USB hookups there. Before we get to the bunks, you got your bathroom. Shower, surrounds. This is a nice feature to have the surround, not just bare wall. So overhead skylight. Again, I'm 6'5". I am touching. So taller than 6'5", you're showering outside. Exhaust for your bathroom. Sink is outside with storage. 2 nice big bunk areas. You do have shades. You do have fire escape window and charging area. And then you've got receptacles. And your bed does fold up. We'll take a look from the outside, but it'll fold up and out of the way. You can use that strap to strap it on the wall there if you got bigger items you want to put in the storage. So, brand new floor plan, new 2023 Cherokee Wolf Pup 25. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside. You say I wasn't joking there. Wolf Pup logo. Quick drop tongue jacks. You can hand crank it, or you can flip it over, hook your crank here or your chuck for your drill. You've got your 7-pin and chain holder, like so. Spot for your battery. We're looking at a dry weight of 5,247 pounds. All 4-corner manual stabilizer jacks. Check down the description. I'll have a link to those. Hot water heater. Nice deep slide out. Moving down to the back, your sewer connection, easily accessible. Outside showers, got hot and cold. We are looking at a 30 amp service. Nice little convenience light there. You've got your drop down travel rack to hold your spare tire on the back. All right, there's the rack in the down position. As you see, you don't have to mess with the spare tire. Got a locking pin. You can put coolers, bikes on there. You've got a 200-pound weight limit on that. Comes equipped with the backup camera, ladder prep. Moving around, your leash latch. You can hook the pets here while you're at the campground. The storage door here, again, you can lift this door and you got tons of storage here. Very nice, accessible, wide door. LED lights, full-length power awning. Got the exhaust for your range. Black tank flush. Still dirty, but the tires will get cleaned here shortly. We are looking at 14-inch tires. Your little accent LED lights in the speakers, and you can bring the TV right outside, hook it right there. Cable, receptacle, large assist handle, these step above entry steps. And then that glass look entry door. Adjustable legs on those, and they fold right up into the camper and lock in place. We mentioned the access lights. Hard to see here, but you can see the little Wolf Pup logo on your outside light. Nice little feature they do there. Storage outside. There's your 30 amp power cord. Hand crank. Nice open storage area. Your brand new 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup. Newest floor plan, 25JB. Wolf Pup went big on us. Remember, if you're heading out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. Thanks for watching. All right, as promised, slide in. I mean, you can climb over the sofa to get to the fridge, but you're not getting in the bathroom without putting that slide out. Full access to the bedroom, but got to put the slide out to get to the rest.